Hi people, welcome in my channel. My channel is Aceh, Esperanto. Alright, this morning I would like to share for around the world 5 countries, you know what, from Europe, Asia, Singapore, United States or United Kingdom, you know, the beautiful, normal, the useful or healthy world. We call what lake or laut kind of lake, you know what, is one of location Aceh, you know, from Aceh, Aceh we call it takengon. So if you want to come to Aceh or someone else or somewhere else, this is very cool people remember, because you know I just promo, I just connect 5 countries, you know what, but country is very cool important. Then we invite a lot of visitors to come to Aceh firstly, Sabang Island and then Katambe, and then you know West Aceh, North Aceh, South Aceh, you know what, because Aceh is very cool is something, you know what, everything has Aceh, mirror, animals, elephant, tiger, rhino, and then you know orangutan. This is very incredible, you know what, the one of the world called what other Amazon or Venezuela there. After Aceh very truly famous, you know, every single day, every single month, every single week. Not only you know local people like Indonesia, Jakarta, Kalimantan, Papua, but also from people from Asia, Europe, Netherlands, and then you know everywhere around the world they visit here, and then you know they just join here as they are, you know, snorkeling and then swimming there. Like Sabang Island is very truly important and then totally very beautiful. Alright, don't forget to come to Aceh because Aceh is very cool is something not nothing. Write that down for you.
Okay, bro. Yep.